So after first installing HardOps, you're able to click the HardOps button, which will let you know if you're up to date, as well as point you to the market of purchase in the event that you need to pick up the latest update. However, once you also have it installed, you can press Q, and under settings is an option called link ops. In this update, there's been an advertisement added for the free Sci-Fi Terminal mini course produced by Blender Bros. Clicking it will take you to their page where you can pick that up. However, if we press up, you also see that there is an ad in here for Blender Hard Surface Weapons course, which was produced by Nighthawk and Stellar, which is also worth checking out. You continue pressing up, we also see the 202 decals, which are able to be picked up by clicking on the button. Also, there is a tutorial released about making a sci-fi remote using add-ons in Blender. That is also worth checking out, and so forth. You can continue going through link ops to look at the various advertisements to find various ways to get around the Hops ecosystem, as well as find additional products and things to get you inspired. But that's really it. We just updated it to add a link to the Sci-Fi Terminal mini course in addition to Stellar's recent course, which I hope everyone checks out.